Problem 3. The time period of a mass suspended from a spring is t. If the spring is cut into 4 equal parts and the same mass is suspended from one of the parts, then the new time period will be option A t by 4, option B t, option C t by 2, option D 2t. AIPMT 2003. Go into the solution. Time period of a mass suspended from a spring. Formula is there. So we write the formula. T is equal to 2 pi root m by k. You are supposed to know this. And also he has said that spring is cut into 4 equal parts. So here k is spring constant. K. Spring constant defined as force per unit extension, F by delta L. If you apply force F, extension is delta L, force per unit extension is spring constant, sometimes called as force constant. So SI unit is Newton per meter. Now this force constant can be expressed in terms of Young's modulus. We know that Young's modulus Y is force per unit area. This is stress. Okay, we know that Young's modulus longitudinal stress by longitudinal strain. So this is stress, strain delta L by L. L is original length, increase in length, area, applied force. This is simply F by A, L by delta L. But this F by delta L, no, this one, like this. F by delta L. That you can write as force constant. So Y is equal to K by or KL by A, where K is force constant. Therefore, K is equal to force constant YA by L, which gives you K is inversely proportional to L. So he is cutting the spring into 4 parts. So here length becomes L by 4. Therefore, K will become 4 times K. Therefore, time period T is equal to 2 pi into root m by 4K. Note that K is inversely proportional to L. Okay. So this will be 2 pi by 2 into root m by k. But 2 pi root m by k is t, so this becomes t by 2. You can consider this as t1. So t1 is t by 2. So t by 2 is here. So option C is correct. Problem 4. When a system is taken from state I to state F, along the path IAF, it is found that Q is equal to 50 calories and W is equal to 20 calories. Q heat, W work. Along the path IBF, Q is equal to 36 calorie. W along the path IBF is, this is the path given. Okay, initial state, final state, I and F. Option A 14 calorie, option B 16 calorie, option C 6 calorie, option D 66 calorie. This appeared in exam, entrance exam AIEEE 2007. Okay, we'll go into the solution now. Right. See here, I is this initial state. From state I to state F. System is taken from state I to state F along the path IAF. So this way, along the path IAF. Okay. this way. It is found that Q is 50, W is 20 calories. First law of thermodynamics, delta Q is equal to du plus delta W. So delta Q is a heat, du change in internal energy, delta W is the work done. Okay. Now in the first case, first set of data, when Q is 50 calorie, one thing you should know, this change in internal energy or internal energy, that is a point function. That means it does not depend on the path. Whereas this delta Q, it depends on path. So it is a function of path. So you consider you say it depends on path dependent, or you can say even path function. Delta W is also path function. Okay. This du is point function, meaning in whichever path you go, the change in the internal energy would be same. That you should apply here. Delta Q in the first set of data given 50, W is 20. You can take it to be delta W 20. Then du not given. So you consider this way. Consider say as equation 1. Consider this as equation 1. For the other one, numbering not necessary. Okay. Right. For the second set of data, along the path IBF this way. See, starting point, ending point are same, I and F. Therefore, du is same, because it is a point function. It depends only on the initial and final points. So, second set of data, along the path IBF, Q is 36. Okay, that means you can take delta Q 36. W along the path IBF is asking what is this. But here du you don't know, but you can find du from the previous one, 50 minus 20. Okay, this is only asked W along the path IBF, so I will represent it as IBF. This is what is asked. Therefore, WIBF is equal to 36. 50 minus 20 is 30, so minus 30. Because this has to go to left side, so answer is 6 calories. So it is given here, answer is 6 calories. Okay.